everyone, myself Srivansh. Along with my team, I will explain about the sense organ today. Organs of our body has many body parts. Each of this body part is called organ. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin.
Nose. Front part of the nose is called frontal sinus. Nose helps us to smell. This part of the nose is called olfactory bulb. It helps us to identify good smell and bad smell. Nose also helps us to breathe. Skin covers our entire body. It helps us to feel it. It is the largest sense organ. We can feel cold, hot. There are 2 glands that produce oil and sweat. There are oil glands and sweat glands. Skin also keep our body cool to sweat glands and oil glands. Tongue we have one. The depths are to taste are of different tongue. The tip of the tongue is called apex. Neck comes from back and the fin from back. In which taste buds are present? Which option identifying taste? Here we have 2 ears. Ear help us to hear different sounds. The outer part of the ear which connects the sound vibration is called tinna. Vibration hit the eardrum and we sense sound.
Eyes is a sense organ which helps us to see. It is the most important sense organ. The colored part of the eye is called iris. The clear part of the eyes has lens. The transparent outer part is called cornea.
Thank you.
Alphabet Techno School, Motinagar, Hyderabad.